Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your microphone if it's not working when using the NVIDIA app. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, go ahead and go to the bottom right of your screen, right click on Sound, and then click on Sound Settings, okay? Now scroll all the way down until you find More Sound Settings. Click on it. And then in here, go ahead and find Recordings or the Recording tab. I'm just going to minimize this one right here. Now go ahead and select your specific mic. So for example, you wanted to use this mic as your NVIDIA app's microphone. Well, just go ahead and set it to default. If it's grayed out, that means that it's already set as default. Okay. Now, if that still won't work, make sure to disable all microphone that you do not use. For example, this one right here, I've disabled it. Now to disable, just right click on a microphone, then just click on disable, and once done, you're good to go. Now, if that still won't work, close this one, press Alt-Z, okay, to open up the NVIDIA apps overlay. And then in here, you're gonna wanna find microphone. Make sure that this one is set to always on, okay? And then once that's done, go ahead and check it out. Now you can go ahead over to the gear icon right here that says settings. Click on it and then go ahead over to audio. Again, make sure that your microphone or correct microphone is selected. And then the volume of the microphone right here is set to 100% or boosted if you can't hear yourself clearly. Okay. Now, if you have used audio tracks right here, you can go ahead and select a single track for now. And then once that's done, check if it helps. And if that still will work, go ahead and go to settings right here, right click on your start menu, click on settings, and then find privacy, which is right here, privacy and security. So click on it and then find the microphone section. Scroll down a bit and here we have it. Just click on it. And then once done, make sure at the very top that microphone access is enabled. Also, let apps access your microphone, enable it. And if you can see NVIDIA overlay right here, or NVIDIA, just enable it, okay, just to make sure. Now, lastly here, if all else fails, open up your search bar and find %local app data %. Again, %local app data %. Now open this file folder. And then in here, go ahead and find NVIDIA Corporation, this one, double click on it, and find NVIDIA app. Double click, find CEF cache, click on it, make sure that it is highlighted, and then just hit on delete. And then after that, do not forget to restart your computer. And once that's done, you should be good to go. That is how you fix a microphone if it's not working in the NVIDIA app. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.